whoops. Okay, I didn't really want to play that move. Low for a move. Okay, actually low for one more move.
Pawn. Oh, okay.
Maybe sit for one move.
Sure.
I don't want. I really don't want. I don't really want the
just
pawn to land on e6. Whoa, queen g4. I like that move.
No.
Knight f6. What a good move.
Alright, sack queen.
Oh wow, he sacked on here. Okay, low pieces, very low.
Bishop
pieces.
Bishop mates. Wait, I should have.
Bishop mates? What?
I don't
Oh
think
wait,
it
this
does.
one.
How the fuck does that mean?
I'm not sure.
Wait, no. Oh shit.
Oh, okay. You didn't cover the right squares there. Sorry.
Wait, but he didn't even drop that.
He played knight to f7.
Yeah.
He want king f8 or something? I'm not sure.
Oh shit. Mouse slip.
Okay, this is not the way to go. We can roll with it.
What?
I sack queen. Actually, never mind. I don't. Oh wait, actually, let me think. All right, it's fine. It's fine. Keep going.
Okay, I am keeping going.
Yeah.
What about something g6 or e6?
I don't have a diag though.
Yeah, but that's fine. Pawn f7.
Yeah.
Oh,
No rook.
Earlier. No rook. Okay.
Actually, he doesn't. Rook is fine.
Okay.
Really
No.
scary.
That's it.
I'll.
Basically, anything mates me. I'm sorry.
Okay, it's fine.
I think we need to.
I have no idea what to do.
Wait.
So if I scream take queen, you take his queen, okay?
And if not?
And if not, then you probably take his queen too. Okay, I scream.
What? That means yes or no?
Yes.
That's not a scream. You can't just say I scream and just
Ah, shit. Oh no. Oh shit, that's a mouse flip.
I'm dead.
Okay, it's my fault. He's too good for me. I will try to play safer.
Oh my god. Okay.
You pre-moved 3 moves?
Saturday. Yeah,
you pre-moved 3 moves? That's crazy.
No, you're supposed to pre-move the opening, but okay.
When was that? Maybe.
Yeah, this one's on me, but I will not.
Yeah. It's.
Okay. We will pull it together. You will have to do the carrying. Free pawn? I want a pawn.
What free pawn?
Pawn.
I'm lost. No, okay. I lose like rook and queen if a pawn comes. Actually, well, I lose queen.
Rob. Oh wait, Jasugi's here too.
Okay.
I can't play the
Okay, I'll follow drunk Larso's suggestions. I don't know. I don't know.
Do you
But
agree? Yeah, well, at least say if you agree or not.
we'll do it. We'll do it because I really don't see anything better. You know, we'll try it.
Okay. I will give absolutely everything.
Okay.
Oh shit. Oh no. Okay, he
Oh
didn't.
no.
Oh. Was this
Oh.
the
Ellipsoul
part?
is getting stressed.
What?
No, sorry. Emerald is getting stressed.
No. I got this. Don't worry.
Oh,
Yeah. Whoa.
Okay.
oh my gosh. Okay,
He didn't
slow
pre-move.
down now for Saturday.
Okay.
No, not you, Ellipsoul. Your opponent. You can go.
Mm,
Oh wait, he went bishop. That's crazy. Oh wait, he went rook there. Yeah, rook mates. Rook
okay,
mates.
the sack sitting is hurting me a bit.
What the
Okay,
fuck?
but this guy
Wait.
is even more drunk than me.
What the fuck? Am I sitting for rook or am I feeding you? I'm confused. Okay. Here. I'm so confused. Okay, yes.
Wait,
Here,
you need
here you
low?
go, baby. Holy shit, no queen.
You get
That's
queen.
fine. I need a blocker.
This guy is too good.
Uh,
You have to keep going. Sorry, I don't see what to do.
Okay, well,
Oh.
Queen mates.
one night earlier would have been nice.
Sleepy in the street, put the thing in the bed.
Okay.
Yes, it's even more free than last time. Another one.
Okay, this is tricky.
Oh no, you're mate. No. What the fuck is happening here?
Heavy mates. Oh wait, no, that's a lie.
Wait,
Two
what
heavies.
does that even mean?
Okay, let's try.
Knight takes.
Yeah. Still a good position.
No.
Wait, I could have done something different there.
Yeah, but I will mate him soon. No, I'm not fucking
Oh,
close.
wait, are you mated? Okay, then I don't take.
Wait, can you sit?
Yes,
Sit.
Go.
Oh, I was thinking. I shouldn't have thought. I just said mate. Yeah. He's drunk, remember. Wait, he's gonna pre-move.
No problem.
He's too fucking smart. What is this?
Yes, now you can take. Yeah.
Unlucky. Okay, well he can't pre-move so we can make something happen here maybe.
No.
What
Nothing's
the fuck
happening.
are you talking about?
Like I can do like
I can guarantee you he has. Oh, that's what you mean. It makes no sense.
Yes.
Mm.
okay, well. Hmm.
Wait, you're mated?
Oh,
Wait.
Okay,
That's
good luck.
yeah, that's unfortunate. Yeah. I could have gone down to. Well, we're starting okay. Okay. See, I don't really know what to do. I don't really know what to do against the sacks here.
That's what I'm saying.
It's too
Opening.
strong, you know.
I see.
Oh gosh. Okay. I think this is. Oh, he's gonna sack again.
Oh my god.
Why do you take these things?
I don't know. I just know. I just not. I
Oh
just
my
don't really
god.
know what to do against
Okay,
it.
but
I keep getting the streak pop-ups. That's so
I
annoying.
feel like you're playing well, but you're taking one piece too many.
Yeah, I'm mated. I'm completely mated.
What the fuck? How do you get your king so high up?
No credits to me. That's crazy. That's crazy, you guys.
What do you mean? You sack like F2 like a like anyone can sack an F2 like that.
Pomades.
No, you have mate in one.
What? Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
I don't really know how to defend against the sacks.
Okay, I want that.
Just
I want that.
protect your weak squares. Yes.
Protect your holes. That's what they.
Yes.
That's what they teach you in high school.
Did not. They did not get through that,
Okay.
unfortunately.
Why did
That's
I
why
take
we lost
that?
this position.
Okay, take like this, maybe. We take
King
here.
takes. Knight takes f5. Pawn f4.
Knight takes f5. Okay.
Knight f6. Knight f4. Perfect. Yes. He's cooked. Oh shit. What the fuck do I do versus that?
Everything's coming.
No. Now you have to start mating him.
Oh, I do. I mean, he gave queen for free. I think I have to go. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. This is horrible.
Only 3.
I have to think.
Ah!
No. Hold on.
Wait. Oh, you can give me pieces, right? Oh, you can give me. Okay. Oh.
He's so lucky.
Lucky.
Okay, and what tonight?
Oh.
Thank you. Okay.
No more knights, hopefully.
I'm Nightmates.
No more knights.
Nightmates. I want. Yeah, if you can.
I think we have this, right?
I don't see it. Okay, just go. Oh.
No, don't let it mate in 1.
Don't let queen mate in 1?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, wait, never
Don't
mind.
let queen mate you in 1. Yes.
I need to I need to defend the Saxon somehow. It's so strong. Oh god. He's getting it in F2 kind of.
Oh my god.
He's
Huh?
getting it in F2 every game.
Nah. Yeah, actually. Alright. And so you can't castle and get safe? Or I don't know, H3 even is good. So, position go.
Okay. Oh
Yeah.
god.
You want
No
one? Or
queen.
yeah, here.
Queen's hanging.
Shit.
Oh, yeah, that's unfortunate.
Okay, you can give the queen.
Oh.
Oh gosh.
Actually, it's mate. Never mind. My fault.
Oh gosh.
Okay, but you don't have to add 3 pre-moves. Just keep it to 1.
I resign. No, we don't resign this one. Okay, we keep on.
No, we never
God.
resign. Or you never resign. I will resign.
This is
Yes, Furyk.
this double standards.
Oh my.
Just no knights. He's sitting for knight c6.
Oh
Which
gosh.
makes okay. I had queen e3. I don't know. I assumed he didn't actually sit for it. It's so stupid.
Nej,
No,
mate, take the knight, take the knight.
That is fucking stupid. Why did they even sit for it? It made no sense.
Okay, how do I handle this? Like, what's the play here? Oh gosh, can I get a block?
No block. Oh fuck. Stop blogger.
What's the strategy?
Rage.
I can't handle it. It's too strong. Huh? Like, which? Okay, we covered 2 squares.
Yeah. No queen.
Oh no.
Oh wait, what?
Okay.
That's unfortunate. I made it.
Okay. Can you like if he threatens like f2 or something, just sit for a piece that protects it instead of walking your king up.
I can't get it in time though.
No, just sit for it. That's the reason you can't get it. Just sit for it.
Like, I can't hold the square.
Just, I mean, this seems good for you.
Yeah. I have a.
He's crazy. This guy. Where is this sack sitting?
It's nice. We're both having fun. They're not having fun though. We're having all the
I haven't played Bug in
sitting.
a while, so it doesn't matter.
What is this?
I'm safe.
Oh no. Oh shit, I messed up. I will give bishop like basically everything.
You want queen trade
Yeah,
comes? Wait.
I'm sitting.
Oh no.
Still down.
Oh,
What about queen?
that is my bad.
Wait, queen also makes, no?
Is Yasugi here?
Yes.
Yeah, he's
No, he's not here.
Yes, it's my.
Wait, I can't force you knight. I can't force you knight. I can force you knight too. It's fine. Yeah.
Bishop
No. You go
H3
bishop
first.
h3. You go bishop h3
Yeah.
first. Yeah. Rook h2, knight at f3, and then king g2, bishop h3.
okay. I'm looking for this, but I don't see the follow up after a move like that. Like if
After a
Yeah,
move
but
like
the
that,
thing is
what-
that we're fucked here. So good luck.
okay. Well, we bought some time.
Good.
We bought like
oh shit.
okay. I'll do this as well. Okay,
You have to go. Yeah.
Okay, sorry. I made it.
Oh.
Yeah.
I just don't know what to do.
Well.
Oh, I could have taken an F7. That would have been the spirit of today's games.
My position was kind of nice, but then he got a queen, and I did not.
I have to take this, right? Oh gosh. Okay, we do this maybe.
oh shit.
What happened
I'm getting
to the? like the amount of pieces.
What?
Oh, no knight, no knight. Okay.
I hope
fine.
it's fucking good
Oh,
because I gave away everything.
What? No, I didn't. I didn't ask for the
for
knight.
one move, for one move. That was good.
I know.
I have mate, I have mate, I have mate, I have mate.
Yeah.
Holy. Oh no. Okay, I will. Oh no.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not sacking this time. Okay, I'll sit. Wait, no, I don't sit. Okay, okay.
Go here. Okay.
Bishop. You want?
Hard, hard.
What's good? What's bad? Tell me.
He wants a bishop. I want you to trade as much as possible.
Okay, I'll try.
Pawn g7.
I don't
Queen
have one.
g7. Bishop g5. Like any move. Bishop g5. No, bishop g5. Don't queen g5. Queen takes g7. Knight g5. I don't know.
Wait, is knight mating you?
King takes g7, actually. Pre-move.
Is it mating you?
So basically, you want the knight, right?
I mean, I want you to stay safe. Like, you're moving the queen away from g7 was wrong. But,
You want the knight, right? Here.
Oh
you can
fuck,
have-
there was a knight hanging. Oh, I didn't see.
Use the knight.
so
I
here, you live.
You have the mate, right?
Yes.
did not see there was
Okay.
anything.
So now I just need to survive a couple seconds.
For 3 seconds, yes.
Okay. Well, he only has. Let's start with this, and then we'll continue with this, I guess. And then we will give. We'll give this check. There we
Fuck.
go. Alright.
Okay.
Do you have it yet? Oh, you gave rook. Okay, hold on. But you have mate, right?
Yes, I just wanted to pre-move, so I gave the rook.
Okay.
So I could pre-move. so I could pre-move giving it away. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
Rematch.
I'm trying to. Then Yasugi steps in.
Pawn, pawn, pawn. Or-
No pawn. He's sitting for the pawn. Don't get
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Go h3.
Yeah, he's taking F2.
Take it. Oh, bishop e3. Interesting. I think
What? Is that not
knight
the
takes c5. Okay. I mean, you have a knight on f3.
queens? Queens are coming.
I'm about
Knowing
to
him,
kill
he's probably
myself over here.
something.
Low, very low.
Okay. Then I'll sit. I'll sit.
Impossible.
Go, go, go. I'm sitting
Yeah, sorry,
because I need to give stuff.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah, just it.
Oh, queen is also coming.
Okay, go.
Yep. Oh, okay, I'll do it.
Whoa.
No, rip. I did not expect it.
Oh, okay. I'm sitting.
Why the fuck would he? So I think you can go when he goes,
Okay.
Okay, okay.
and then you go d takes
I'll
e.
feed you.
Oh
Okay.
shit!
I'll feed you.
I
Wait.
did not expect him to do that move. I'm so sorry.
Okay. Okay. All right. He sacked. He sacked on. Yeah. He sacked.
Yep.
I just don't know what to do. No queen. No queen. No pieces.
Diags, couple diags. Yeah, baby.
No,
Thank
there's so
you.
many
I love
pieces
you.
coming. No.
I love you, Chewy.
I'm taking it. I get queen.
I don't know. Bunch of pieces.
Wait, you're doing so good.
Pawn mates.
Oh, I'm not. There's a
Pawn
gave me whole on f7 and he gave me pawn.
Oh my god, this opening is so good for me. I'm giving queen. Maybe it's not.
Queen f1.
No, look at his holes. Like, how can he? Okay, he doesn't defend.
I mean, you're going here. So,
Yeah, here. You want trades here?
Oh wait, I didn't even see that. I didn't even see
just a little bit.
I didn't even see that my queen was hanging. Oh, I'm out of diads. Okay.
I want pieces for. Yeah.
So here we are. Oh.
Well, we have some time. So
It's
I'll
fine. It's
play-
fine.
Yeah, but do you have enough pieces to rope it? I'll just go. I
Yeah.
don't think it helps you for me to sit.
Maybe sit now. Now sit. Oh, okay. Maybe now definitely sit. Because he's going pawn at e3.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay now. Okay. No pieces.
I'm thinking. Wait. I have a good move here.
You can do whatever you want.
How can I mate him? Let me think.
Any move. Yeah, I think
Oh,
I think I'm fucked if you don't
actually,
sit.
okay. Okay, I'll sit. I'll sit. Go,
No,
go, go.
you'll have to go. Now it's too late for you to sit. But
Mate mates.
yeah.
Okay.
Communication. I still don't know what to do. I just
So trades are good for me.
okay.
I think this is a better way to play.
He's just crushing me on these weak squares.
Yeah, but he's going to do that either way, I think.
Okay. You want me to not trade then, or?
No.
Sure.
Okay, I'll sit.
You just go. What the fuck? That was a slip.
Oh,
Oh no, I think I was doing so good there. Well, I guess.
Wait, you have mate.
I'm slipping
No.
again.
okay. It's fine now.
Okay.
I'm sitting.
Oh.
Just keep going. As
Okay.
long as you're safe, it's good. You don't have to worry about my position. It will suck either way.
You want
I'm
to
out of
trade?
diet.
Oh, I didn't know. Oh, sorry. Okay.
Oh gosh.
Uh,
Okay.
yeah. I'm good now.
Yeah,
What?
just keep playing, maintaining safety.
Maintaining safety. That is what I'm doing right now. Safety is being maintained. Fortunately. What can I do here?
It's kind of hard to get in.
I feel like this was my best effort so far. Yeah, they are good.
I'm playing absolutely shit. You will have to win this one.
Oh, I don't have enough pieces. So
Okay, I'm fucked.
I just don't have enough pieces to make it happen.
Then you will have to sit.
Okay, I can sit now.
Yeah. It comes back.
So wait, did you just waste a rook on c8?
Yeah, I guess so.
It's fine.
So
Do it.
don't move. The thing is that rook h8,
Just do
pawn
it now. Do it now.
g7,
Do it
queen
now.
h8 is
Thinking
made
of it,
for you.
thinking.
Oh, I see.
So you will go for that one now, right now.
Yep.
Wait, where's the mate?
I'm not dead.
You have to mate kinda soon.
Oh, I didn't find it in the end.
Take
Oh,
on this. Take his queen. That was stupid.
Wait, I'm not dead. Wait. Oh shit. Now I am. Fuck.
okay, I have the mate now.
Nice.
They both missed like me. Yeah. We kept giving.
Yeah, this is the scariest line in the whole E66, and I don't have a counter.
He's sitting. We're up. Or are we up? Oh, we're not up.
No queen.
Am I lagging? I swear I wasn't sitting.
No queen. No queen.
Okay.
You're playing very well, I
But
think.
I was low on time.
Oh shit.
Oh.
I will be mated probably. Don't give knight.
Okay, I'm sitting then.
Really? Are you close to giving knight?
No,
Or
not
queen?
really, but like.
Wait.
I
Okay,
think
now.
I'm close to mating if you're
Wait,
holding
you
knight.
have to have
Okay,
mates
we have
here.
7 seconds, so go. Just I'm sitting.
Okay, I will take back what I said about close to mating.
Oh, okay. Well, then I have to get the knight soon.
Sit for pawn and then go pawn d2.
Okay. Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, he'll take a bunch of times, and then I'll keep going. I'm gonna give this tricky check here. Okay, now. Oh shoot, that was not a good check to do. I didn't see that. Okay. Um. Now things are looking less good.
Oh shit, what happened there?
I thought I was tricking him. Okay, here's a queen for
Wait,
free.
you went? Okay. I see. No rook, I assume.
You need to.
Can you set a no rook, but set it up so you can take a rook
Wait,
from
knight
him.
g1. Go knight at. Oh, never mind.
Set it up so I can take a rook.
Oh wait, he moved. I can't. No, I didn't.
You have to keep going. Just hold rook.
Okay.
That is a crazy
I
move.
set it up so I can take a rook.
Actually, that is good.
Yeah,
You
Tom-
sit.
Yeah.
Sit.
Wait, you have to have mate. What do you mean? Wait, knight f6, bishop g4, bishop h6, and then. Or take out an f6. Oh fuck! My bad.
You can go.
That was my bad. I meant. It was mate. Because you had knight g. Yeah. Oh, I have this website muted. That's why I didn't hear the.
I'm proving my.
No, not yet.
GMness. Yeah, it's proving why he's a GM.
Yes.
Gosh. Okay. He's getting in. Sorry.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm getting into. Don't you worry.
No, I'm
Okay,
in.
I'm not that much. I'm not getting in, but you might as well block on the H file there. Like, there's no
Rook
reason to
g2,
not
knight
block.
f2 is mate. He was mated no matter what.
Yeah, I assume. Yeah, sure.
Okay. No, you don't need to eat. Ate it.
What's the
Hey, I haven't
defensive
had anything.
approach from these lines? I don't
Okay,
know.
trades are good. Yeah, the stuff will be very good here. I would sit for it. Okay, we're down. I'll
I
go.
mean, I let him in on e6.
Yeah. Then you can start defending if you let him in.
I'm giving rook. Sorry.
Okay. I mean,
But
Really? Is this? I feel like I should have done something
do
here.
I sit or that's like you stuff? I don't know. No, I'm not sitting. I'm just want to.
Oh, your king is safe on f1 here, in case he sacks on e6 or drops on e6. I mean,
knight is good, I guess, on e4.
I can't get you knight. You have most of them, so you'll have to go maybe knight f6. Okay. Yeah, I am dead as fuck. Like there's
I have
no
mate
way.
with 2 pawns. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Yes.
GG's.
All right,
Have a good one.
GG's.